I've been cooking and I made some special dinner for me and my husband. This is one of my favorite. Got the mashed potatoes are my favorite. This is gonna be my plate and this is gonna be his plate. He doesn't really like mashed potatoes that much, so I'm not gonna give him much. For me, and then for my husband. All right, and then oh yeah guys, we got butter. I love butter with everything. Butter, and then we got some good gravy. Ooh, now that's what I call dinner. Alright, the butter will melt in with the gravy, so it will be good like that. Okay, now here's the plate. So excited to eat this. I was just kidding, the smaller plate is mine, of course, and I love this dinner, guys. This is literally my favorite.